Welcome back to Beautyistic. If you've ever struggled with keeping your teeth truly clean between visits to the dentist, you know how tricky it can be to reach those tight spots where traditional brushing just doesn't cut it. Today, we're taking a close look at the Waterpik Water Flosser Nano Plus, a compact, portable electric flosser that promises full-size performance for both home and travel. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you won't miss any honest reviews that make your beauty and health routines easier. The Waterpik Nano Plus is designed to be 50% smaller than full-size models, making it travel-friendly without sacrificing performance. It comes with a removable 15-ounce reservoir that's top-rack dishwasher safe, a swivel handle for easy access to all teeth, including those tricky back molars, and 5 pressure settings ranging from 10 to 80 psi. It also includes 4 tips, which is perfect if multiple family members plan to use it. Clinically, it's well supported too, carrying the ADA seal of acceptance, and 9 out of 10 dental professionals recommend the Waterpik brand. In addition to the flosser, there's a set of fresh mint whitening refill tablets, 30 per bottle, intended for use with Waterpik models equipped with the Boost flossing tip or the Whitening Water Flosser. These tablets aim to remove stains from hard-to-reach areas and leave your mouth feeling fresh with a gentle minty flavor. Using the Nano Plus in my daily routine was surprisingly easy. The on-off switch right on the handle made controlling the water flow intuitive, and the swivel handle really does reach every corner of the mouth without awkward angles. The 60 seconds of recommended flossing time feels manageable, and the water pressure can be adjusted so it's comfortable yet effective. Pairing it with the whitening tablets, I noticed that my teeth felt cleaner and the gum line fresher compared to traditional flossing alone. On the downside, the reservoir is smaller than full-size models, so for those who prefer longer flossing sessions or have multiple users, frequent refills are necessary. Also, while the travel design is convenient, it's best suited for countertop use rather than tossing it into a packed bag mid-flight. So what do I love about this flosser? It's compact, easy to use, and highly effective at removing plaque where brushing misses. The included tips allow for multiple users, and the ADA backing gives extra confidence in its effectiveness. On the flip side, the shorter flossing duration and small reservoir might be limiting for heavy users, and the unit is designed strictly for North American voltage, which is something to keep in mind if you travel internationally. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to try it out, the link is in the comments. When it comes to value, the Waterpik Nano Plus is reasonably priced for what it offers. Its compact form factor doesn't compromise performance, and when paired with the whitening tablets, you get a solid oral care solution that reaches areas traditional floss often misses. Comparatively, full-size Waterpik models offer longer sessions and larger reservoirs, but they're bulkier and less travel-friendly. If you're looking for something truly portable without sacrificing flossing efficiency, this model stands out. The build quality is impressive for a compact device. The reservoir feels sturdy, the handle swivels smoothly, and the overall design is practical. The whitening tablets themselves dissolve quickly and leave a noticeable minty freshness, adding a slight whitening effect over time. If you're looking for a slightly more budget-friendly option, some non-Waterpik portable flossers are available, but they often lack ADA endorsement, adjustable pressure settings, or the convenience of interchangeable tips. For the investment, the Nano Plus offers reliability, portability, and a brand you can trust. Overall, the Waterpik Water Flosser Nano Plus with fresh mint whitening tablets delivers on its promise of effective, portable oral care. It's ideal for travelers, busy professionals, or anyone who struggles with conventional floss. The combination of adjustable pressure, compact design, and whitening support makes it a standout in its category. If you want cleaner teeth, fresher gums, and a simpler routine, this flosser is worth considering. Thanks for watching Beautyistic. The link to purchase the Waterpik Water Flosser and Whitening tablets can be found in the comments or description box. If you've used this product, drop a comment below and let us know your experience. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.